Alaikum. Our today topic is also related to the research methodology and different types of research in social sciences. So let's discuss the applied research, which is the subtype of action research, which is the subtype of applied research. I couldn't mention or acknowledge the or write here the proper definition of action research or applied research due to copyright issues or plagiarism effect. On that basis, I couldn't write the specific word of any particular author regarding the definition of any research topic. So let's discuss in a sample and in a brief words. A type of action research is basically a type of research and seek to provide immediate solutions to a problem faced by teacher, researcher, or administrator. In other words, also action research, in action research, we can say that it is a systematic inquiry just to provide answers to the short-term question or research topic. There are so many subtopics. I guess three subtopics: positivist, interpretivist, and practical action research. We here in this lecture we would not go for them because it will go longer in length and in detail. We will talk them about in upcoming lecture. What action research is actually a type of research designed to provide short-term solutions to the problem we face in daily life, in educational setting, in administrative setting, or at any level. Action research is just designed to provide solutions to those immediate problem or on immediate basis, the existing problem on immediate basis or quick basis. Let's have a look with the example of B.Ed research project done by mostly Iqbal Open University. It's offer through this research project or this many research, Iqbal Open University offer the degree of B.Ed in education, a bachelor in education or M.Ed in education. But this is the example of action research. Here we will explore the steps one by one and link them to the major research steps. For example, the point one: why did you select this specific sub-theme and topic? We will relate them to the major research steps or the genuine research process. Let's discuss one by one. Here we will codify the different points to the major steps, like the first 2 points is related to the introduction sections. Here we will write or code them like with the keyword I. The second thing: what was your discussion with colleagues, etc. This is the expert opinion. We could also say that it's also called expert opinion. This is also the part of introduction, which is the first chapter, the first major step. The third step is what did you find out in the literature. It is related to the literature review. Here we will code them as L as a literature review. This number 3 point is related to literature review. The fourth one is what were the major variables and construct. This is also related to the introduction section. In introduction section we set objectives and research hypothesis or research questions. This is also related to introduction section. Mostly we do this in methodology, but here it is what were the major variables or construct. Here we will only mention them in introduction section. What did you want to achieve in this research project? It is also related to the introduction section. Who were the participants? The participants are the respondents of a particular study is related to the who will be our audience, or from whom we will collect data. So the who were the participant is related to our another step, that is methodology. It is related to methodology. The eighth one is also a link to the methodology. Here we will skip the seventh one. The eighth one is also related to methodology. What kind of instrument was used to collect the data? Or the data collection procedure, it is also related to methodology. We plan or we adopt a particular protocol or method for data collection. It is related to the major research step, which is methodology. The seventh step is how did you try to solve this problem? This is linked to the data analysis step. Data analysis, DA. This is linked to data analysis step. It is the actual analysis of the collected data from this research instrument. Research instrument is also called questionnaire, rating scale, or interview, or observation, or any collecting tool for data collection is called research instrument. What were the finding and conclusion? This is the related to the fifth chapter, or the fifth major step, that is conclusion or summary. The summary of the project is related to the overall, or we also say that it is also we can say that abstract. A, B, here those people had mentioned here, but mostly in academic research projects, or thesis, or in dissertation, it is it would be written first in the top from the acknowledgement, or the back to preface section. So the last one is references. References in this whole process of an introduction, or in literature review, or in methodology, or in data analysis. If we had used the secondary resources, we will cite and mention those research studies which are called references. We will mention them here in the last step of our research process. This is the very brief and the very shortest explanation regarding action research, or the example of with the help of a B.Ed research project, or the people also pay for these projects. I had done so many projects of a B.Ed, M.Ed, and regarding this on paid basis, but it is very easy, but it's bit technical. Here we have just to link these questions with major research step. This is the key. If we link these steps or these questions with major research step, the problem could be solved in easiest manner. Wish you all the best and see you soon.